Part 1. The beginning of the quest. In a village where colors were bland and meek, lived two young friends who were quite unique. Lila, with hair of the deepest blue, and Leo, with eyes of a sparkling hue. One sunny morning, with skies of gray, they dreamed of a land where colors would play. "Let's find the rainbow gem," said Lila with glee. "A jewel that makes colors as bright as can be." Through fields of yellow and woods of green, they journeyed together, a magical scene. Lila led with a heart so bold, while Leo's wisdom was a treasure to behold. They crossed a river that shimmered like glass, and climbed up a mountain of emerald grass. Each step they took was filled with cheer, for they knew their goal was drawing near. "Look at that tree," Leo pointed ahead. "Its leaves are purple, its trunk is red." Beneath this tree, in a hidden nest, they found a map to aid their quest. The map was old, with colors that shone. It whispered of places where dreams are grown. "To the Valley of Violets," Lila did say, "where flowers bloom in a vibrant display." Through the valley they skipped and danced, in fields where violets twirled and pranced. The air was filled with a sweet perfume, a rainbow tapestry in full bloom. But their journey was far from done, for the rainbow gem was held by none. "To the cave of crystals we must go," said Leo with eyes that began to glow. Part 2. The Valley of Violets. As they ventured forth, the day grew bright, the sun casting colors with radiant light. They encountered creatures both big and small, in this wondrous world that seemed to enthrall. A butterfly with wings of gold flew close to Lila, so brave and bold. It whispered secrets of the forest grand, of places untouched by human hand. Lila and Leo, with spirits high, followed the butterfly through the sky. It led them to a glade so serene, a place where the air felt crisp and clean. In this glade, they met a wise old owl, whose feathers were a brilliant jowl. "To find the gem you seek," he said, "follow the path where colors are spread." With newfound guidance they moved ahead, through a meadow where flowers bled, colors so vibrant they filled the air, painting a canvas beyond compare. The path led them to a bubbling brook, where fishes of every color shook. They danced and played in the water clear, a sight so lovely it brought a tear. Leo knelt down and touched the stream, his fingers sparkling with a gleam. "The rainbow gem must be near," he said, as they followed the brook to a riverbed. Here the waters merged and flowed, to a lake where lilies glowed. In the center a lily pad shone, with colors that were not its own. Lila paddled out with careful grace, to the lily pad's special place. She found a clue engraved in gold, a riddle that was centuries old. "Seek the tree with leaves of gold, where stories of the past are told. Beneath its roots you'll find a key, to unlock the gem of colors spree." With this riddle in their minds, they left the lake and the waters kind. Their journey took them to a forest deep, where secrets and mysteries often creep. Part 3. The Cave of Crystals and the Return. The forest was dense, with trees so tall, their leaves a canopy like a hall. In this place of shadows and light, they searched for the tree shining bright. They wandered through the forest vast, looking for clues from the distant past, until they stumbled upon a grove, where a tree of gold proudly strove. Its leaves shimmered in the afternoon sun, telling tales of battles won. At its base they dug with care, finding a key hidden there. With the key in hand, their spirits soared. To the cave of crystals they were now allured. The cave was hidden behind a waterfall, its entrance adorned with colors tall. Inside, the walls with crystals gleamed, a kaleidoscope of light that beamed. In the heart of the cave, on a pedestal bright, the rainbow gem shone with pure light. Lila reached out, her hand so steady, and grasped the gem, her heart was ready. As they emerged, the gem in hand, colors burst forth across the land. The village now sparkled with hues so grand, thanks to the bravery of this fearless band. Lila's blue hair was now even more bright, and Leo's eyes twinkled with newfound light. They danced and sang, their mission complete, bringing joy and color to every street. The villagers cheered, their world transformed by the colors that swirled and formed. No longer bland, but vibrant and true, a testament to what friendship can do. So if you find yourself in a land so gray, remember Lila and Leo's brave foray. With a heart that's bold and a spirit so free, you too can find the colors, just wait and see. The world is full of wonders untold, waiting for those with hearts of gold. Now the village thrives in a rainbow glow, with gardens where vibrant flowers grow. Lila and Leo, heroes of the tale, showed that dreams and friendship never fail.